Hello everyone, welcome back to ENG Talk Room. Today we are going to learn vowel and consonant sounds.
Yes, this topic is very important. If you understand sounds clearly, your pronunciation will improve a lot.
Let's start with a simple question. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. These are the most important sounds in English. Every word has at least one vowel sound. That's right. Now let's understand vowel sounds with examples. A sounds like A in apple. E sounds like E in egg. I sounds like E in sit. O sounds like O in hot. U sounds like U in cup. These are called short vowel sounds. There are also long vowel sounds. For example, A sounds like A in name. E sounds like E in see. I sounds like I in time. O sounds like O in go. U sounds like U in use. So vowels can have more than one sound. That's why pronunciation can feel confusing at first. Now let's talk about consonants. All the other letters are consonants. Consonants have strong and clear sounds. For example, B sounds like B in ball. C sounds like K in cat. D sounds like D in dog. F sounds like F in fish. M sounds like M in man. When vowels and consonants come together, they form words. For example, C-A-T becomes cat. B-A-T becomes bat. This is called blending. It helps you read and speak new words easily. Many learners make one mistake. They focus only on spelling, not sound. Yes, always focus on sound. English is a sound-based language. Let's do a quick practice. Repeat after me. A, apple. E, egg. I, sit. O, hot. U, cup. Great job. Practice these sounds daily. If your sounds are clear, your English will sound natural. Thank you for listening to Ing Talk Room. Keep practicing and keep improving. Subscribe for more English learning podcasts.